I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make croissants in Toca Boca. Begin by opening the kitchen and selecting the bakery scene, then gather your ingredients and select the mixing bowl. Use the interactive tools to combine flour, cold butter, milk, sugar, and a pinch of salt, keeping butter in small cubes for layering. Follow the on-screen rolling and folding prompts to create layers, then chill the dough before forming croissant shapes for baking. Next, focus on dough texture and folding technique for the flakiest croissants in Toca Boca. Keep the dough slightly tacky so it holds together, and roll it into a long rectangle before placing chilled butter in the center. Use even folds and turns, chilling between each set to firm the butter. These steps build layers, so be patient and repeat the process 3 times to get the signature puff and flaky interior. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps me keep making content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort during long play sessions, and they come in fun patterns to match your virtual style. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you love a reliable pair, grab one for cozy gaming. Now let's get back to the video. Now we shape, proof, and bake the croissants in a friendly, calm way that fits Toca Boca gameplay. Cut neat triangles and roll from the wide base to the tip, giving a slight stretch to keep a tight spiral. Arrange on a tray, let them proof until slightly puffy, then brush with egg wash for a glossy finish. Bake until golden brown and puffed, then cool briefly before serving to enjoy flaky layers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.